How to create and set up a PayPal account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to Classic Tutorials, and today we're diving into the world of PayPal, the ultimate platform for sending, receiving, and managing your money online. But before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First things first, PayPal is an online payment platform that lets you send and receive money, pay for online purchases, and more. It's super easy to sign up, and I've included a link in the description below to create your account for free. You can sign up for PayPal in two ways, through your computer or smartphone. So if you choose to sign up on your phone, you just have to put your number here and then PayPal will send you a link and receive a message on how to download your PayPal app. In our case, we're currently using a computer, so I'll walk you through the process. To start signing up, click this button, and then there are two options, which is personal account and business account. Personal account is usually for daily transaction. It is for sending, spending, and managing your money. You can also discover cryptocurrency and lets you access exclusive rewards and cashback. And for business account, it is for you to get paid online for your customers in store or on the go. You can also collect donations, and it is also easily integrate with the tools you use to run your business. So if you're already decided on which account you will open, click get started. After choosing on what account you will open, it will allow you to select your country, then get started, and then you have to put your email, then hit next. Also, PayPal would be asking for your phone number, so if you're done, just click next. And then you will be receiving a code to your phone number. You just have to put the code you received. After getting a verification code, you have to create your own password. Also, you have to put your first name, middle name, and your last name. And for your additional info, it is required to collect your nationality, your ID type. You can choose passport or driver's license, and then you got to put your ID number and your date of birth. And when you're done, just click next. And then after filling out your information, you have to put your street name, house number, and your subdivision, also your barangay, district, or your city or state. And after that, don't forget to click these boxes and then agree and create account. And then PayPal would be asking you to link your card, debit or your credit number, your type of the card, and then the expiration date and the security code and your billing address. And if you don't have one, you can just set it up later or you can't link it right away. Now that you have your PayPal account set up, if you wish to link your bank account and cards, this step is crucial for sending and receiving money. So in your dashboard, you can see link a card or bank. If you wish to link your credit card, just click this and then enter your credit card and then your card type, the expiration date, the security code, and your billing address. And then you have to click this link card. And then if you opt to link your bank account, you should put your bank name, the bank code, the account number, and your name, and then click link your bank. Keep in mind that PayPal might ask for a verification code when adding a card. This is just to ensure the security of your account. With your PayPal account set up and your payment methods are already linked, you're ready to start sending and receiving money. To request money, simply go to Request option, and then you have to enter your recipient's email, name or username or their mobile number associated with their PayPal account. And then, so if you have a balance in your PayPal account, it would usually state in here, and then your linked bank or cards will be shown in here. And PayPal will send the money to your primary payment method. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up and using your PayPal account. Whether you're sending money to friends, shopping online, or even exploring cryptocurrencies, PayPal has you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides, and don't forget to leave a questions or feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.